Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Let's talk about a Solana meme coin that is in the news today, and it is pumping. So I want to bring this one to your guys' attention. There is a little bit of a headline. We covered Ginnan. That's the crypto we're going to be talking about, and I want to share with you guys what is going on because this is a crypto that I've invested in. We almost touched $100 million, and once you do that, guys, that's when all bets are off. That is something where then we can talk about 1 billion. It seems to be a little psychological barrier that, cryptos struggle to break through. I want to share with you guys a little bit of an update, give you guys my thoughts, and get you on your way. If you want to, though, this is a perfect time to subscribe down below to the channel. Smash that like button, and please let me know your thoughts. I'm curious to know if you guys are in this project, if you think that this has legs, if you're very bullish. Okay, I am very bullish. This is one where if you were following meme coins, right, a lot of people got into Nero, a lot of people got into Ginnan, and from my understanding and what I've put together from following both of these cryptos that I do have a piece in, what I've noticed is I think a lot of the holders are basically bouncing back and forth, right? They're coming into Ginnan from Nero, they're selling Ginnan, getting into Nero, and that's something that I think if these two cryptos see a little bit of a push like we got today, all bets are off. It is something where they are pumping hard, and now this is exactly what I want to talk to you guys about in this video. All right, so this is their X page. You can check it out for yourself. I do want to show you guys real quick. This is the market, and you can see right here, look at these cryptos up pretty much 5+% and above. That's something where you look at, there's not a lot of cryptos out there that are actually down. And in specific, Dogecoin is down 0.9%. That's noteworthy because Ginnan is, apparently the story behind the meme is that is Dogecoin's Cat Brother. Okay. So if that's kind of what you guys have your knowledge around, or if you know anything else, please feel free to drop it down below in the comments. But this is what I want to share with you. This is the big chart of the day, up 49%, just a tick below that. Okay. I did take a little bit of profits right when we were actually up over 60%. You can see it right here. I'll try to zoom in for you guys. All right. And this is kind of the trading that we've been doing today. All right, we've been looking at this chart, very bullish. You can see this W, we're waiting for a breakout. And obviously, guys, this is not financial advice. Make sure you guys all do your own research and due diligence with everything crypto. But we have since sold off since then. I did not sell at the top of this peak, but it was about at the 3.7 level. So we'll see if we can bounce back. I think that this is something where look at what this crypto did just in its early on period, right? And if you look at it from a zoomed out perspective, you understand why I'm so bullish on this, because here is that bottom leg of that W starting to form. So we got as high as 4012, a little bit above that. And if we talk in terms of market cap, this is what this means for us as traders. Okay, we were up above an $84 million market cap. So like I said, almost sniffing 100 million. And then if we do hit 100 million, that's when the whales really start to take notice and all bets are off. So this is kind of where we're at, right? This W is forming right now at the bottom. But if we zoom out, we have a very, very strong indication that we could see another one of these, right? Another one of these big, strong green candles. That is huge, huge money moving the needle, okay? So this crypto is definitely capable of this. What I think is what we do see is you get that initial pump like we've seen from launch. People take profits, and then we go back for another ride, and that's what we did back on August 7th, roughly, and then boom, another one of these. So I do look for that second pump. That's kind of my I guess you would say my milestone, where I look to definitely take more profits, and that's kind of how I trade crypto, right? Always that second pump in meme coins, I think, is the strongest. If you consider this a second pump, don't let that mislead you, because a lot of people are starting to draw those arrows. They're looking at it this way. They see this crypto doing well. And I think that's something where you can see why we're doing well. If we look at the day today, Solana 5th in total market cap. Okay, it's flat. So that's a very good sign when Solana is basically flat in crypto such as Ginnan is pumping. Now, why is Ginnan pumping? Well, the big news on their X page was, and I did hear there was an announcement, but Marcy Jastrow is now an advisor for Ginnan. This is something where you look at kind of the team they're building. For those of you who do not know, she was involved with Shiba Inu for a while. And that's obviously, in terms of meme coins, about as good as you can get. So this is something where you look at Ginnan. You could read about them on X. If you do not know, if you are investing in Ginnan, I'm kind of curious, what is your thoughts, right? Where do you see Ginnan going? Do you think it's Ginnan or Nero? Which is your pick? Is it both? I'm curious to know down below. Okay, but this is something where we look at this chart, super bullish. I know it's down. It's kind of at this level where if you were up in this level, you could definitely see some room for profit taking. But I think when I bought in, I was pretty much about right here. So I'm still down on the trade, taking profits because we were able to buy some more at the bottom. And that's something where, obviously with crypto, you dollar cost average, lower your basis, and it puts you in a great position where if we do get that pump, keep your moon bags, and then obviously we can ride off into the sunset. So that's kind of my quick update on Ginnan. All right. A lot of things have been teased. I'm guessing this is the big announcement that we were waiting for. But now as a new advisor on this project, this is something where I think it's only bullish for Ginnan the cat. And that's kind of where I'm at. I think this is kind of an overall market trend. I think that having 13,000 holders, if we get a little bit of a tailwind from a broader crypto market, Solana starts pumping, all bets are off. I think we could break through this $80 million barrier that we had, right? That upper floor, if you want to call it that huge resistance we had, just not get past that, and we started to sell off. And it's noteworthy that this has been a gradual sell-off, right? A lot of times with meme coins, yes, you do see these sharp buys, but more times than not, you do also see sharp dumps. And this is something where when we see it like this, it's spread out a little bit. This is just a lot of programmed profit taking. Okay, so it's important to pick up on that. But this W that's starting to form right here on the bottom, that gives me a lot of indication that this crypto is headed in the right direction. Whether or not we get something like this, that's yet to be determined, but I do feel like the second pump is always the strongest. So that's kind of my video update on Ginnan the cat. I hope you guys all enjoyed it. There will be links down below in the description if you want to check it out. Feel free to drop a comment or two. Let me know what you think. How high do you think Ginnan the cat can reach? Cats are back, I guess, but dogs are there still, frogs, everything. I think meme coins still have the attention, and as we're in this lull, where a lot of the big movers, right, the top tier cryptos, right, the blue chips, I don't want to say they're dormant, but Q2, Q3 has always been kind of a hibernation mode for a lot of crypto out there. So let's see what happens. Let's see where we can get to. Like I said, make sure you guys are all subscribed to this channel. Also on X, if you have not already done so. My handle is down below as well. Appreciate you all. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys all in the next video. Cheers.